Good evening, Nancy. All clear. Number 2. And we did chapter 8. Okay, so I just want to come back to the transcript here. Again, don't pay attention to the time because my time on my computer, the clock on my computer is wrong. So distracting, addictive. So we saw some objects and we tried to describe them and add more adjectives. Okay, so hold on. We did describe it. Okay, the files I sent you on April 15th, I think. So anyway, a cell phone, modern, convenient, useful, portable. Okay, let's just go back to normality. So up. We can also be like distracting, addictive. Okay, now tiger, dangerous, powerful, wild, big, all of them. But we can also say scary, frightening. Now the skyscraper. Look, skyscraper. It's touching the sky because it's so big, it's so tall. So cramped, not comfortable, crowded, unhealthy. But that was for the April. Well made, well, it depends. Cramped, yes. High rise, I mean tall. Occupied, crowded. Ice cream, tasty, cheap, soft, cold. No, not soft, cold, cheap, tasty. Depends because sometimes it's expensive. So we can also say unhealthy, as you said. Too sweet for my taste. Sticky. After, Americans love that, and this as well. Large screen, a large TV, common, rectangular, modern, innovative. But we can also say big, large screen TV, flat TV, useless, luxurious, too big, expensive. The big car, fast, expensive, well built, good engine, good design, and stylish. Okay. Sport car, race car, good engine, good design, show off, luxury, expensive, beautiful, luxurious, luxury car, fancy. And the mountain, vast, high, scenic, steep. So scenic is a good scenery, a beautiful scenery, beautiful view from the bottom, from the peak, from down or from up. Steep, sharp, hard to climb, sharply angled. The angles are sharp. And the last one was a Doberman, protective, friendly, loyal, obedient. It depends on the dog, actually. Now, it depends also how you educate your dog. So, security, pit bull, we can say all of those adjectives are fine. Pekingese is this kind of a small Chinese dog with long hair. It's okay, it's not really my cup of tea. Face the blackboard. So now we're going to All Clear 2. Usually the kids are facing the blackboard. The teacher is here, but here it's different. Maybe because it's the last course before break. So they are in a circle, and just to pay more attention to the teacher, who knows. She wears glasses, earrings, she has a dress with a belt. She seems happy. He doesn't seem very happy. He's okay. She's a bit sad. She's smiling, I don't know why. He's very happy, even though he's gonna stay here. And we cannot tell. This is the last class of an English program. What are some possible questions that everyone is asking? The class in the cartoon is in an English-speaking country. How is this similar to your own class? How is this different? If you go to the university in France, you're gonna go to an amphitheater, so it's huge. You have a lot of students. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, in America, I went to just different classrooms. Didn't have these big rooms. So yeah, it depends what you study as well. So let's go there, and we're gonna listen to the audio. Okay, so it's right here. Let me just get rid of these guys. I believe it's 8. It's coming.
Lesson 8. Focused Listening. As you listen. Page 138. A. Close your book. Listen to the conversation between the teacher and students to find the answers to these questions. What are they talking about? Why?
Okay, we have a few more people to ask. Carmen, what are you doing over the break?
Well, my best friend will be here for 2 weeks, and I'm going to show her around. I can't wait to see her.
Wow, that sounds really nice. There's so much to do around here. I'm sure you'll have a great time. And Danny, how about you?
I don't have anything planned.
Really?
Well, I was going to go back home, but it didn't work out.
What happened?
I didn't get my ticket early enough, and now the prices are really high.
That's happened to me before. To get a good price, you really need to get your ticket far in advance.
I know, but I think I'm better off staying here anyway, so I can work more on my English.
Wow, that's music to my ears. Good for you, Danny. And now, May, what are you going to do over the break?
Nothing much. I have to work. I have a part-time job.
Well, at least you won't have any homework for a while.
Do you have any plans for the break?
Uh-huh, and I'm really looking forward to it. I'm going to take it easy. Take walks, go to the movies, visit friends, read. Oh, wow, look at the time. It's time to go, and I hate to say goodbye. I hope you all got a lot out of our class and that you'll keep in touch. Have a great break, and above all, don't forget to speak English.
Feels like she's in a hurry to
Focused
leave.
listening. As you
You know, she's just like yeah, she's like in a hurry to leave, in a sense. Like, yeah, I had to say goodbye, but I have to go. Anyway, so we have different expressions over the break to show somebody around, and didn't work out. We did 3. Okay. So the teacher starts with Carmen when she asks questions. Yes, Carmen isn't going away from the break. I don't remember. Yeah, she's not going anywhere, but she has her friends coming over, and she's gonna show her around. Okay. Danny got a cheap airplane ticket the last time he flew home. He got a cheap airplane ticket the last time he flew home. I mean, like the time before. I was going to go back home, but it didn't work out. I didn't get my ticket early enough, and now the price is already high. That happened to me before. Okay. So, in fact, we don't know. Because the last time, not this time, but the last time. So, question mark. Dami will work on his English during the break. Yes. May is going to work during the break, but her teacher isn't. Yep. Now, over the break, during the time between sessions of classes. Okay, it's a recess, a break, or vacation. No, it's not recess. It's more like vacation time. Okay. For some students and teachers, this is a time for vacation. What did you do over the break? We worked for a week, and then we went away for a few days. Over vacation, over the weekend, over the summer. What did you do over vacation? I have a lot of work to do over the weekend. We went swimming a lot over the summer. Okay? Over the break, over vacation, over the weekend, over the summer. Notice that when you use over, the phrase refers to one time, not a routine. I plan to read a lot over vacation, on one vacation in the future. What are you going to do over the weekend, next weekend? What did you do over the summer, last summer? I always read a lot when I'm on vacation, every vacation. What did you usually do on weekends? Most weekends, notice the plural. What do you usually do in the summer? Any summer. Okay. What are you going to do over the next break? What break? What are you going to do over the weekend? Going to the supermarket. What do you usually do on weekends? I usually work, cook, clean, don't sleep too much, feeling tired. So no, Saturday is lighter, but I still work. So I cannot really stop. So anyway, now living here is just slavery, purely slavery here. Show someone around somewhere. Take someone to see the different parts of an area. Let me know when you're in town. I'd love to show you around. Our friends didn't have time to show us around, so we take a bus tour. We were busy on weekend with out-of-town visitors, so they were not living in our city. So they were coming from outside, in a sense. We showed them around all day, Saturday and Sunday. Travel around, travel from one place to another, here and there. What are you going to do this summer? I'm going to work for a month, and then I'm going to travel around California with a friend for 2 weeks. Where are you going to do? Where are you going to go? We're not sure. Probably San Francisco, Yosemite, Los Angeles. We'll see. And it didn't work out. Something that was planned didn't happen. They were going to get married, but it didn't work out. They were going to live together, for instance, but it didn't work out. They were going to buy a house. They were going to take a trip. They were going to visit us, but it didn't work out. You can use a similar form of this expression. I hope your plans work out. Okay, they succeed. I think it will work out. Maybe it won't work out, but I'm going to try to do it. The past continuous, was going, were going, is often used to talk about a plan that didn't happen, like what we did here. He was going to the beach for the weekend, but it didn't work out because it rained. But now we can use the same verb, but in a different context, to work out. Here we have, it didn't work out. Not the same expression. She's going to the gym to work out. She works out 3 times a week. And you're supposed to do this. So you're going to have to listen to... Hold on, let me just understand the logic here. So this is 8. 8, 8, 8. And that would be 9. So let's listen to this stuff. Okay, so 9.
Your turn. Listening challenge. Page 142. Listen to find out what worked out and what didn't work out. Then complete the chart. 1.
What are you going to do over the summer?
I'm going to be a camp counselor. Last year, I was going to be a counselor at a camp about 3 hours from here, but it didn't work out.
What happened?
They didn't have enough kids, and they didn't need me. I was really disappointed. So I'm happy I can be a counselor this year.
There we go.
2.
How was your honeymoon?
We didn't get married.
You're kidding. What happened?
I wanted a big wedding. She wanted a small wedding. I wanted to get a dog. She wanted a cat. Our relationship just didn't work out.
I'm sorry to hear that. Listen, why don't you come over and visit sometime? I have a cute dog I want you to meet.
3.
I heard you bought Tom's car and that he bought your truck.
That's right. He wanted a truck and I wanted a small car. It worked out great.
That's it. That's about it. There we go. So now to come back to the transcript quickly, I'm not going to have time. Just read it to go grocery shopping and to run errands. Okay? I don't have time to do more. So anyway, I'll see you tomorrow at 9. We can continue talking about that. Take care, Nancy. Bye-bye.